So in our last section, we have seen type checking in TypeScript, and in this section we'll be looking at type assertion. So what exactly is type assertion? It is a mechanism which tells the compiler about the type of variable. Okay, so type assertion is explicitly telling the compiler that we want to treat the entity as a different type. So types assertion in TypeScript can be done using as keyword and angle operator. We will be seeing both with the help of an example. Let's get started with an example. So here I'll be declaring one variable, blog name of type any is equals to the name of my blog, .NET Crunch. .NET Crunch is my blog, guys. You can visit .NETcrunch.in. Suppose by any chance this is your project requirement, you have such variable which is of type any and you want to find the length of the characters. Okay, but for that, length of the character is available, length method is available in string, okay, in string data type. So you want to convert this, or rather I would say cast this. So sometime we need to cast our variables to a specific data type. So how we can do that? We can do that using as keyword. So let me define one variable where length, which is equals to blog name as the data type. So I want to cast this as string, and if I press period, it will show me all the methods that are available in a string data type. So we can find length. So suppose if you have casted it at two different data type, let's say number, you wouldn't have got this length method, right? So this is just available in string. So we got the length now, and let's print console.log this, and we will use string interpolation here. And why we are using string interpolation? Just to make it nice. So this blog, or rather I would say the blog, here it should give me the dynamic name of the blog. So we can use dollar operator. So the blog .NET Crunch has characters. How many characters? Here we can specify the dynamic length. Okay, so this, let's try to compile and run this program. Let's try to run this now. Type assertion.js, and we got the output as the blog .NET Crunch has 12 characters. So this is the part, dynamic part in our console.log. This is how we have used as keyword to typecast the variable into string. Right, we have casted our variable so that we can use length parameter or length method, we can say. Similarly, we can use this angle bracket operator to achieve the same. So let me do one thing. Let me comment this out and use the same variable, and we will use the length property before we will use angle bracket string and the name of the variable that we want to cast, dot length. So this is how we use the angle operator just to typecast. So this may be of type any type, and this is the type in which we want to cast it. Okay, So this is of type any, and this is, we are casting this object into type string. So this should also give you the same result. Let's compile the program and run it. Here we go, we got the same result. So guys, this is how you do a type assertion in TypeScript using as keyword and angle operator.